Hi, now for this next step, we're going to take our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients and we're going to mix them together and make a dough. And for the dry ingredients, remember we have the cornmeal, flour, and the baking powder. For the wet ingredients, we have 2 cups of water, sugar, salt, and shortening. What we're going to do is make sure we got a little well right here in the center. We're going to pour the wet ingredients right here into the center like that. Still a little warm. Take our spoon and we're just going to fold it all in. Just start mixing it around, and as it comes together, it'll absorb all the wet ingredients in the bowl, like so. It looks like it won't quite make it, but it will. After we get it good and mixed like so, that's when you roll your sleeves up and get in there. So, just start kneading it, folding it over and over.